When you activate the DNA in meditation, as we do in our Amrita Siddhi class, the question is, how do we know the result? How do we see the result? And we have seen many Alpha Siddhas coming back and giving us excellent feedback about the DNA activation. They say the hidden talents which were there within them suddenly started surfacing, and they felt the urge to do so many things which earlier they never could do. Like one person said he has never sung in his life before that. He was around 43, 44 years old, and he said, after that class I started feeling the urge to sing, to just open my mouth and sing loudly, but I didn't know how to do it. I had not learned, but the urge was there. And then he said, I found somebody to teach me to sing, and he started learning Carnatic music. So then when he came back and told me, he said, now I'm learning and I'm enjoying every class, every session. I'm able to sing well. I never knew I had this talent. So that was one example. Similarly, another person was running a business, and he attended our Amrita Siddhi class where the DNA is activated, and he came back and said, such new ideas are coming to my mind, and now my business is really improving in the last 2-3 months. He said, after the class I can see a visible change. So that was another thing. And many people have reported, particularly women, also men, they have reported that they felt extraordinary increase in the mind energy, mind enthusiasm level. They said, I really feel so young now, like I used to feel when I was like 20 years back, 15 years back. I used to be so enthusiastic, so energetic, I could do anything that I wanted. But of late I found that I didn't have the enthusiasm to do anything. Age makes that happen, you know, all of us know that. But they said, after this class, after the DNA was activated, they said, physically I feel so much good energy. Throughout the day I'm able to do my work without feeling that slump of energy in the afternoon also. And mind, of course, the enthusiasm is so great. So we have seen visible results after activating the DNA. So our Amrita Siddhi class gives you the meditation to activate the DNA. Do join us.